Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another OBD code video. This is the P0340. This is actually the camshaft position sensor circuit modification. So let's talking about in this video these codes. So what does the P0340 means? The camshaft position sensor located in the internal combustion engine monitor position and the rotational speed of the camshaft. The sensor sends this information to the power control module PCM, and the PCM use this information to control ignition spark and a fuel injector timing. When the trouble code P0340 is set, the engine spark and fuel injectors timing fails due to a number of reasons. So first of all, the symptoms of the P0340 is lots of symptoms. The 8 symptoms, the main symptoms. The first symptom is the loss of engine power. The second thing is the misfiring, rock running, no start or hard starting. The fourth thing is the engine steel. The fifth thing is the engine light on service, engine soon warning lights blinking. Sixth symptom is the vehicle will not start, may be difficult to starting the vehicle engine is a misfiring. The last and eighth symptom is the loss of a power when driving. The first possible case is that a connector or a wire in the route circuit could be broken or shorted or grounded. Faulty PCM, open circuit, faulty crankshaft position sensor. Fifth thing is a dead or weak battery. Sixth thing is a starting system circuit, faulty starter motor. Eighth thing is a poor electric connection of the camshaft position sensor. The last case is the harness of the camshaft position sensor is shorted or open. So let's define the solution of the P0340. The first solution is to visually inspect all the wiring and connectors in the circuit. The second thing is a check for continuity in the circuit wiring. The third thing is to check the operating voltage of this camshaft position sensor. Replace the camshaft position sensor as required. Check the crankshaft position circuit as well. Replace circuit wiring and or connectors as required. The last thing is the diagnosis. Replace the PCM as required. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more OBD code videos and visit our site carsfile.com for helpful articles.